It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I've just woken up and Daddy's told us that we're going to have breakfast at Naked Island.
So we're so fortunate to have Mirasol's brother. We've set him up with a pump boat many years ago, and it means that we don't have to go to the boulevard to pick up boats. We just take our own boat. It's early in the morning, we can always be ahead of any crowd. And today we've decided to hit Naked Island and have a picnic with family and then launch the drone for some swimming shots. I can't wait. Okay, today the boat driver is Mirasol's brother. So tell us about the journey today, Bibit.
Adto kami sa kuan sa Naked Island kuman mag-picture.
How long will it take to get there?
30 minutes.
Okay, great. And this is the rest of the family. Here's Noah, a budding professional surfer. And then we have Abby, a budding professional dancer. We have Grace, who just put away her cell phone. And of course, below Grace, we have Walter, who's very, very tired. The birds disperse. Surprised that there's some people on Naked Island so early. Behind Naked is Siargao Island, and then in the distance Guam Island, and back to mainland Siargao Island.
I found a cowrie shell, but I'm more excited about having my breakfast.
Right, we're going to have our breakfast now, and baby Grace will tell us what we've got today.
We have ham and hot dog inside, and this is an omelette, and the other one is also an omelette, and we have sliced bread and margarine, rice, and we have porridge.
Raf's happy eating with his cousins. He's not sure what to have. Maybe hot dogs, maybe ham, or maybe porridge.
There's no one here at Naked Island, so where Martin is about to fly his drone, and I'm enjoying the view.
such a paradise here on Naked Island. Raf and his cousins are playing frisbee, and we don't have a care in the world. It's only 8 o'clock in the morning. The sun's pretty strong, but it's just so beautifully calm today on Naked Island. And in the other direction, we have Bucas Grande Island, and then now famous Corregidor Island, and then further in the distance, Anahawan and La Hanosa. The Paradise Islands never end in this region of the Philippines. So a fisherman is on the island and he's selling squid.
Fresh from the sea.
Water is so clear here. Mirasol's just happy because she's bought some squid for lunch. We're heading home pretty soon. The kids are just reveling in their lonely paradise.
We've had a scrumptious breakfast here, Naked Island, and the seawater is very clear. And now we're heading back to our construction site area.
Mirasol's brother, Bebit, is ready for us, but we're going to let the kids enjoy themselves for another 10 or 20 minutes.